It may be possible that once in a while you are running your YouTube ads, for those who don't know that you in case if you want to advertise on YouTube, you have to run through Google Ads network because YouTube is a Google owned property, and you may have seen that your ads are being disapproved due to unreliable claim, and this could be a reason. This could be a very saddening part as an on your part as an advertiser, because you may be feeling very frustrated because you wanted to run on your ad on YouTube and your ad is compliant, still you are getting disapproval, like your unreliable claim. Like over here you can see over here that the advertiser got an unreliable claim. Now another interesting thing over here was that the client also notified us that one of a similar advertiser running a similar kind of an ad got approved. And for those who don't know, that unreliable claim is usually one of the Google ads disapproval reason, and this is due to when Google thinks that the claims you are making in your ads are not being justified. For example, just to give you an example, like you lose 5 kgs in 5 days. YouTube is saying, how are you going to do it? It's not possible, so it's unreliable claim. Now as a marketer, so far we the reason how we overcome these issues are via customer testimonials. Like we explained that as far as the experience of our different users, they were able to lose up to 5 kgs within a week or 5 days. This is an acceptable form of making a claim. And that Google has a high quality standards, which is why these claims either need to be backed by a scientific evidence and need to be backed by a customer testimonial. So far we have seen that the customer testimonial part definitely work. Now this could be one perspective when you are making a such claim. Now there is another perspective when such thing is being happening automatically, and while you are working fine and you suddenly saw this setting, you're like, oh, everything is fine, I'm not making any claim, unreliable claim. Even for example, there could be another example for unreliable claim is like make $100,000 in 5 days. Now how it's possible without giving an exact strategy, without doing anything, you're just surprising the user, you are going to get this, and this is not going to work. So you have to be come up with a practical approach, or some share with like customer testimonial. Like you can share a review of your user who tried your product, and yeah, I was able to earn $100,000 per month using the strategies and tips being guided in this book, in this video, or a similar, or whatever your goal is. Now these are the scenarios for unreliable claim. Now over here the client had little unreliable claims, but the most surprising thing was that a similar competitor was running with a similar script. So how come they were not able to run this? So became making based on this theory, we created a file to discuss with the Google. Just to let you know that being a Google Ads partner, we have a dedicated Google Ads support, where we discuss with the Google team. And then I'm going to show you a few things over here. So once we did, this was another, disapproved over here as well. And then, this was, when we discussed with the Google, and, then we updated and created a new ad group, and you can see over here that it's went into the pending, and then it went to the approved, but we made it pause. So because we do not want our client to spend the money unless and until he wills to do so. And this was the approval situation. You can see over here that the ad is being eligible as well. Now I'm going to show you in the account as well, but because the client has changed the image, so I'm going to show you both, the eligible and disapprove, unreliable claim disapprove, both in the same account. I'm going to show you case study over here, and I'm going to refresh so you can see in front of you that this nothing is fake and it's all original. And you can see over here that once being refreshed, you guys going to load it freshly. Just have to wait for it's getting loaded freshly, and you can see over here that these two ads have the same time, same context, and this had as unreliable claim and this is approved. So you can see over here that this is how we were able to get it approved through our dedicated Google support. So yeah, in case if you need help with your Google ads disapprovals regarding unreliable claim, compromised sites, circumventing system, misrepresentation, or any other issue, we have a dedicated team who works along with me to to make it done on quick basis. So yeah, in case if you need help with Google Ads disapproval, in case if you need help with Google Ads management, audit setup, Google Merchant Center, Google My Business, or SEO services, me and my team can help you. And who those who don't know, we have already solved dozens of cases like these as the Google partner. You can watch our YouTube videos to find those. So yeah, thank you for watching. We look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.